When it comes to courtship, some women expect men to do all the work, but if you rely solely on this, your chances of finding love will be much lower. Today, we'll look at 3 phrases you can use to make a man melt. Stay until the end to learn a bit more about a free masterclass related to this video. Number 1. I'm so proud of you. The first thing you can say to your man to make him swoon for you is, I'm so proud of you. By telling a man you're proud of him, you're making it clear that you recognize his achievements and respect the work that he has put in to accomplish his goals. You telling him this will make him feel that all the work he has put in, and it will often be a lot, has all been worth it in the end. Now, let's be clear about one thing. Saying this randomly will not be effective. If you say it to him as soon as he wakes up in the morning, he will know that you don't mean it, and it won't have any impact. Instead, wait until he tells you about something he's achieved, and then let him know how proud you are of him. Often when guys tell you something you should be proud of, they'll come across as very excited, and they'll radiate positivity. The phrase, I'm so proud of you, can be used in reference to anything you're proud of. This might be related to their work, such as if he's got a promotion, but it can also relate to his hobbies, like if he does well in a football game. By expressing your pride in him at non-financial achievements, you're making it clear that you care about this man and you're not just with him for his money. But you have to make sure you mean it when you say it. Saying it at things such as downing a pint of beer will give him the wrong impression. So only express your pride when you actually have it for him, and don't fake it to impress him. Number 2. How are you so... This one gives you a lot of different options. How are you so nice? How are you so perfect? How are you so smart? How are you so big? Depending on what kind of mood you're in, how are you so can be followed with something either clean or dirty. If you're feeling romantic, you could ask him how he's so nice, sweet, kind, lovely, etc. But if you're feeling a little bit naughty, you could ask him how he's so hot, big, or good in bed. When you use the phrase, how are you so, you're not just giving him a generic compliment that you could give to any other guy, but you're noticing something specific that you like about him, and making it clear that you're paying attention to who he is as an individual and not treating him just like he's another one of your guys. When you say, how are you so, much like a lot of things in life, timing is very important. Don't say it to him when you first arrive at his house or when he first wakes up, but say it after he does something related to what you're calling him. So if you want to say, how are you so nice, wait until he does something nice to you before saying it. If you want to be naughty and say, how are you so good in bed, the best time to say this is after the two of you have just finished. Men love it when you like them, but also have an idea of why you like them. The phrase, how are you so, followed by what you like about them, shows that something he is doing is working for you. Number 3, I'm so glad I found you. And the final phrase we have, now forgive me if this is a little bit cheesy, is I'm so glad I found you. I know this might sound like something out of a low-budget romance movie, but the bottom line is that guys love it when you say it. Much like the other 2 on this list, I'm so glad I found you can be applied to both people you're courting and people you're in a monogamous relationship with. It's a great thing to say at the end of a first date, but also a fantastic thing to say when you're alone with your boyfriend. Some women have this idea that men want to think that no other men are interested in them, and there is no competition. Whilst this would be nice for many men, most of them do not live that far under a rock. They understand that no matter what, there will be other males vying for your attention. But it's your job to make it clear that even though there are other options for you, you've made your decision. The phrase, I'm so glad I found you, makes him understand that you have met others before, but none of them have been able to give you what he has. This will make him feel appreciated. It makes him understand that although you could, you won't leave him for another man. Men are much more simple than many women seem to think they are. If he can make you happy, let him know, because there will be a direct correlation between how happy he is and how happy you are. Men love it when you show your love to them, and the phrase, "I'm so glad I found you," is a great example of how to convey this love through words. We understand that times are changing, and it's no longer the man's job alone to do all the romancing. We hope that ladies found this video useful, and we hope that any men who watch this agree with what we have to say. If you want to learn more about how to make a man fall in love with you, check out the course Heal Your Love Life and Create a Deeply Fulfilling Relationship, link in the description. The course is taught by Donna Eden and her husband David Feinstein. If you want to learn more about courting guys, why not watch this other video on text messages you can send to him? Thanks for watching this video.